All right, so now let's move on to the next objective is to remove an item. Deleting away seems to be a tricky one for students, and I don't blame them because it's tricky for me. So we're just going to start right off and say, what item would you like to remove from your cart? Now, we still have, just like above, we only need to view cart. And you know, we could probably add this whole exact same thing in here. The only difference is we need to do a gets right after this. So do a gets, and we're going to set it to user choice. We're going to do the same thing, strip 2i, because we want this index number, -1. Then we're going to take at cart, and we're going to delete at user choice. Now we're going to do the same exact thing for the total. And we know that this will be correct because anytime that I add anything to the cart, it's going to be the same index number and it's going to go at the same time. So even if I add 5 things, that 5th item price in total is still going to be the index of 4. So I can do the same thing here. Why don't we check? And I could do a little puts and say, all right. And I can do at cart, and we're going to do at the index of user choice was removed from cart, and the total of, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to get at total user choice was removed. Now we might run into some weird things here, but let's give it a try and see what happens. So let's go shopping, let's add broccoli, then let's remove an item from cart. All right, well I have to choose broccoli. All right, blank was removed from cart and the total of blank was removed. Now the reason why this is happening is because I'm doing this puts after our logic removes it from our cart and total array. So I'm just going to move it above. Let's try it again. Let's go shopping. We'll do a different number this time. Let's remove an item from cart. We're going to do pasta. All right, pasta was removed your cart and the total of 6 was removed. Cool. So now we can remove an item from our cart.